to the bank, I'm like, haha, Donna. What she saying, I heard blah blah. Water, rocks on me like I'm Tata. Papa, like a Papa, Percocet before you chopper. Hey, Bush, serving patience, I'm a trapper. I've been running with some choppers.
What's going on, guys? Gozy here, and welcome back to the channel. So we are here now at TRC Street Kings. We got caught in the lines. All right, we made it here 2 hours late. Literally had no time to just unpack and debrief. Had to go get the tech car and hop straight in line. So I actually made my first pass before even filming. And honestly, I'm not impressed, but it's a good baseline. All right, so we trapped at 151. All right, so trapped at 151. The car didn't feel as strong as it usually would, and it sucks because I left my laptop at home. All right, so plugged it up last night, and just leave it at home. Literally had one job. Had to go ahead and throw these bad boys on. I've been here maybe 30 minutes now, and I'm ready to go on a headache. So, like I said, trapped 151. Feel like there's more in it, but we left the laptop at home, charged it up all night, and just forgot to grab it. So now I feel kind of like, I don't know, just not prepared, honestly. But the car doesn't feel as strong as it normally would. We stayed up last night messing with the Pro Charger alignment once more just to get ready for this run. We were up to like 12:30 last night, just making some final changes to the Pro Charger. Added a couple shims, took out a couple more, and flipped the pulley around as well, just to see what that does. Did a test hit on the street, didn't go too bad, but we ended up losing our rear spoiler. I don't know, it just seems like I'm just slowly but surely losing all my carbon fiber pieces on this car. It's ridiculous. All right, so made our first pass and the belt survived. So I think we should be good. I think I might just have it where I swap the belt out maybe once every couple passes, you know, just so I don't, you know, end up breaking one midway down the track. End up flipping the pulley around. So now we got it where the numbers are facing the upboard, and played with the shimming a bit to get it aligned with the crank, and made a hit, and the belt survived. So I feel like it's definitely a step in the right direction, knocking on wood. Finals, I think it's that eliminations is coming up, so should be pulling out shortly. Got 2 passes in today. The first pass, we didn't do too bad. We kept the belt in one piece, and then the second pass, we actually broke the belt midway down the track. So we got what's the word I'm looking for? We got knocked out. All right, so ended the day early, but here's what it is. We enjoyed our time out here. It's kind of a short ending, pretty much late, and now we're leaving early as well. So, yeah, we'll keep working out these issues, but now, I don't know, now I'm kind of fed up, so we might be going with the single turbo. All right, I'm in the market for another house, so I'm not gonna be in a hurry to do that just yet. I might just take it to the car shows, enjoy it here and there, but Pro Chargers, man, can't do it. We've literally tried everything, shims, aligned it, and it just, I don't know. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna be calling it quits. I don't see me keeping this setup for too long. So hopefully we'll have better luck with the single turbo. Make like 30 pounds out of it. Shoot for like 1,400 horsepower, and you know, have it be like like a nasty deal. Right now, I mean, it sounds good, but it's definitely not reliable. Like I said, I'm gonna be heading out of here, and maybe stop by Orlando, see what's out there. Just try to enjoy the rest of my day. All right, so thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate the support, appreciate the love. All right, and I will see y'all on the next video.
Shit, you can get stuck with him. The Draco was under me. Won't shoot this bitch through the window. They like, ooh, he vibe.